Imagine the world's busiest oil route and someone tells every ship, pay 20% for protection or you're on your own. That's the extraordinary proposal US President Donald Trump has put on the table as tensions with Iran push the Strait of Hormuz closer to becoming the world's most dangerous shipping lane. Critics say it sounds less like international security and more like a global protection racket. Pay 20%, get protection? The United States and Iran are once again on the brink of all-out war. Both sides have exchanged missile and drone strikes while also announcing rival blockades of the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most critical oil transit route. Against this backdrop, President Donald Trump has proposed that the United States should provide security in the strait, but only if it is reimbursed at the rate of 20% on all cargo shipped through the waterway. Trump declared, "We will become guardians of the strait." His proposal marks a sharp departure from decades of US policy that maintained the Strait of Hormuz should remain open to all nations without transit tools. Protection fee, but who pays if it fails? Explaining his proposal, Trump said, "I want to be reimbursed because we are protecting a very rich portion of the world. We're spending money, we are going to be reimbursed for protection." Speaking later to Fox News, he added, "We guarded the strait for 50 years and never got paid for it. We want to be reimbursed for this for putting our people in danger." But the proposal raises several unanswered questions. Trump has not explained how the 20% fee would be calculated, who would collect the money, what happens if a ship refuses to pay, or who bears responsibility if a vessel that paid the fee is still hit by an Iranian missile or drone. Critics argued that the proposal resembles a protection racket rather than an international security arrangement. Meanwhile, Iranian state media declared the Strait of Hormuz closed until further notice. Trump dismissed the claim, saying the US had, quote, bombed the hell out of them. Monday marked the third consecutive day of US strikes on Iran after Trump declared the earlier ceasefire over. If implemented, Trump's proposal would not just reshape security in the Gulf, it could redefine the rules of global maritime trade. Whether it becomes policy or remains a political statement, the debate over paying for protection in international waters has only just begun.